So my iMemories box just came in the mail. I was so excited to check this out. My parents have a lot of VHS tapes that, are hard to watch now since there's not really a lot of VHS players around anymore. But let me show you what's inside of the kit. This is what you can use to mail back your films or your VHS tapes. There's an information booklet here, lots of bubble wrap, some plastic bags to make sure that everything stays waterproof, and then this heavy cardboard box. This is so easy to use and put together. They have everything taken care of right down to the label. There's a discount code, a booklet that walks you through everything, a customer card where you can fill out all of your information, and then this great box with all of the bubble wrap that you'll need and bags inside this sturdy crush-proof box. My kids haven't gotten to see videos of me growing up because they're all on VHS, and my parents kind of redid their family room. They don't have a VCR anymore. So this will be great. We can convert some of these home movies to digital. I'm looking through the pamphlet here to see what all we can pick. Oh, they can also convert photographs, so this will be great. I can't wait to go find some home videos from my parents' house and put them in the box. I was just talking to a girlfriend about this the other day who was going through her parents' attic, and she came across all these home videos that she wanted to show her kids, and she didn't know how to send them off or where to send them off. So I'm so excited to let her know about iMemories, and I'm going to tell her and all my friends to go today. Find your parents' videos, look through your old videos and pictures, and send it off as soon as you can so that you have these keepsakes forever.